This tutorial will cover how to access the show flow editor. The editor allows you to control what the viewers see when they log in before the show, and when the show goes live. These view states the viewers see are called layouts. First, log into the platform with your username and password. Find the date and time of your show on the screen and click anywhere in the gray bar to access the presentation icon. Click the room control icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. To access the show flow editor, click on the icon with 9 rectangles on the right side of the screen and click the pencil icon on the right. This will open a window to the left side of the screen that will let you configure the layouts of your presentation's pre-show and go-live stages. To edit the layouts, click the down arrow next to Configure Pre-Show or Configure Go Live. Select the layout you want for each and click Save Show Flow. We've already covered layouts, sometimes called view states, in another video, but if you need a reminder, simply click on that video to get a refresher.